Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be discussing financial literacy and how to get started with it. We all know how important money is in our lives, but it's not always something we feel comfortable talking about. Financial literacy is a subject that can be intimidating, but it's not something that should be ignored. When it comes to your financial health, understanding the basics and staying informed about your money is extremely important. So, without further ado, let's dive into the basics of financial literacy and get you started on your path to financial freedom. What is financial literacy? First things first, let's talk about what financial literacy is. Financial literacy is essentially the understanding of how money works, how to earn it, save it, and invest it. It's understanding how to budget, how to use money responsibly, and how to make smart money decisions. It's also understanding how to protect yourself against financial fraud, how to build a credit score, and how to manage debt. Financial literacy is an important skill to have, and it's something that you should take seriously. Importance of financial literacy. Now, let's talk about why financial literacy is so important. Having a good understanding of money and how it works can help you make smarter decisions when it comes to spending and investing. For example, if you understand how investments work and diversify your portfolio, you can make more informed decisions about where to invest your money. It can also help you stay on top of your bills and manage your debt. Knowing the basics of debt management, such as understanding interest rates and different types of loans, can help you make smarter decisions about borrowing money. It can help you save for the future and plan for retirement. Understanding the basics of retirement planning, such as different types of retirement accounts and how to invest for retirement, can help you plan for your future. It can also help you protect yourself against financial fraud and scams. Knowing how to spot red flags and signs of fraud can help you stay safe and secure. Finally, financial literacy can give you greater control over your finances, which can help reduce your stress and give you peace of mind. Financial education. So now that you know why financial literacy is important, let's talk about financial education, how you can get started and where you can go to learn more. First and foremost, you should make sure you're informed about the basics. There are plenty of online resources and books that can help you get started. Websites like Investopedia, The Balance, and NerdWallet are great for getting information about things like credit scores, budgeting, investing, and more. You can also take courses and classes at local universities, community colleges, or even online. Many financial institutions also offer free classes and workshops. If you're looking for more personalized advice, you can always talk to a financial advisor or planner who can help you set realistic goals and create a plan for achieving them. Conclusion. Financial literacy is an important skill that can help you become smarter with your money and give you greater control over your financial future. I hope this video has helped you understand the basics of financial literacy and how to get started. Thanks for watching. Remember, financial literacy is something that takes time and effort to learn, but it's well worth it in the end. So don't be afraid to take the first step and start learning today. Happy learning!